Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make beef stroganoff. I've already cooked my noodles. They're in a colander sitting and waiting. And I'm going to cook it in this large pot because I'm going to mix my noodles in with the sauce. If you want to serve the sauce just over your noodles. You can cook your noodles later on when the dish is done, and fix this sauce in a skillet. But I intend to mix it together, so I'm using the big pot. So I have a 1/4 cup of butter in here. To that I'm adding 2 medium sliced onions, 8 ounces of sliced mushroom, and a clove of minced garlic. And then I get my I'm going to cook this until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms have wilted. So we'll let this cook for a little bit and I'll be back. Excuse me. Okay, the mushrooms are wilted, the onions are translucent, so I'm going to remove those to a bowl. Set that off to the side. And I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of sliced beef. Yeah. I've cut the beef up mostly into bite-sized pieces. Keep stirring the pot, keep the beef from sticking. I want to get this beef browned, and I'll be back when that's done. Okay, my beef is browned. So now I'm going to add a cup of beef stock, half a teaspoon of salt, Easier said than done. And 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. That's one of those things that's hard to pronounce. I'm going to turn the heat down. I'm going to bring this to a boil first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Stir this all in. And there we have a boil. So now I'm going to turn the heat down, cover it, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, the meat has been simmering for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to bring it back up to a boil. In this bowl I have a 1/4 cup of flour. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of beef broth. Stir that around. And I'm going to let this cook for just a little bit so it kind of thickens up a little bit. Bring it up to the boil. There we go, we're thickening up. Now I'm going to add back my onions and mushrooms. To this I want 1.5 cups of sour cream. I don't want to boil this, I want to bring it up to where it's hot. That's hot. Now I'm going to add my cooked noodles. That's hot. I'm going to turn the heat off, and now I'll plate it up. My plate of beef stroganoff. Now I'm going to give it a little taste. Just what I wanted. I've wanted for a while now. So thank you for watching this. Hopefully you'll give this recipe a try. And please subscribe.